how to clean your car's interior and make it look like new again. You will need soapy water, a few microfibers, and an upholstery cleaner. Dirt and grease tend to form over time in plastic parts throughout your car's interior. This dirt and grease are easy to remove if you follow the tips and steps that I will show you throughout this video. To start off, I will begin by cleaning plastic panels next to windows. First, spray onto dirty areas and let the foam do its job for 10 to 15 seconds. Next, grab a light brush and scrub in all directions until the grease starts to dissolve. Finally, grab a microfiber cloth and wipe until dry. These microfibers are designed to trap grime better than a regular cloth. Repeat this process until you get better results. To clean the brush you're working with, let it soak in the soapy water and then wipe it down with a cloth. Both the dashboard and console collect a lot of dust. To begin cleaning this, it is useful to remove all the things from the console. After removing everything, we can now spray the foam and start brushing. Once again, the amount of dirt in your console determines the amount of times you repeat the process until you see results. Cleaning both the dashboard and console is one thing to make your car look like new again. So take your time and repeat until you see results. I like to clean the car stereo by spraying directly onto a cloth and then scrubbing the stereo, especially if your stereo has a large screen. If you take a close look at your steering wheel, you'll notice dirt in buttons and crevices. It is a good idea to hit these spots with the brush. Also, the amount of dirt in your steering wheel will determine the amount of times you repeat this process until you see better results. We cannot forget about door buttons and handles. Some cars, like this one, have cloth that collect dead skin and oil from your fingers. That white stuff you see in the door is actually that. Fortunately, this is easy to clean and remove. Remember that the amount of grime determines the amount of times you repeat this process until you see desired results. For the air vents, I only use a brush and no foam. You can also use a microfiber. Finally, how to clean the upholstery in the ceiling. This is the most annoying but the most rewarding to clean, since a clean ceiling will make your car's interior look nice and fresh. Only spot clean dirty areas to make it easier and to save your ceiling from being damaged by scrubbing more than necessary. It is not recommended to use a brush to clean the ceiling of the car, since it can easily damage and make the surface look worn. Instead, use a microfiber to gently clean the ceiling. Near the handles and the area where your hair touches the ceiling are the areas where the most grime builds up. So repeat until you see desired results. Also, it is a good idea to let the foam 10 to 15 seconds before scrubbing. One tip that will make it easier is to scrub in circular motion. This will give you the best results. As a bonus tip, spray and scrub the seatbelts using a cloth only. Avoid using hard brushes to avoid damaging the seatbelts and to maintain their physical integrity. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, subscribe so that this channel reaches 10,000 subscribers. Finally, watch my other videos, and until next time.